Hey guys, it's me, Bobby. So guys, once I hit 500 subscribers, we're having a YouTuber assembly at the high school. And also, sorry people, I don't know, so, where you guys are from, and tell or not, you might be in Germany. And also, and also, if I was right, I now have to apologize to ask my viewers to subscribe me. So guys, please subscribe me. Please and thank you. And also, my new subscriber was Zeno. Alright, so guys, the assembly is about for those people that did subscribe me and did not subscribe me but watch my videos. Alright, that was all for today. And I'll see you guys later. Bye everyone.